Alright, today is Saturday, June 29th. It's about maybe 9:30 in the morning. We're out here in Alameda Bay with Sanjay, and we're going to take out the Tamara on her maiden test trial voyage. We had some problems with the battery last week. After that was replaced, it seemed to solve everything. So we're going to get ready and do a little harbor practice maybe, and then take her out. We're not going to go to the upper bay today. We're going to stay down here and just see how she sails and just take it nice and easy. We're in no hurry to get anywhere. This is a trial for the Tamara on behalf of Sailing Alameda Inc. We intend to use this to take our kids out. We want to make sure that she gets ship shape, can pass all the Coast Guard inspections, and doesn't have any issues by the time we're ready to take these children out. I expect maybe another 60 days, 30 to 60 days, maybe sooner, to be ready to begin our services. But this is Tamara, and we're going to take her out on her first maiden voyage. We do have some hull cleaning to do down here with the algae, but there's nothing wrong with the hull itself, according to the man who maintained her regularly, which is Colin from Club Knot. Alright, for Tamara. I got the jib cover off and get ready to get this jib sail ready to go. And Sanjay's working on the main cover. Alright, we're about ready to depart. Our sails are looking good. Jib sheets in position. Mainsail covers off. Mainsail is ready to be risen. We're about ready to shove off here. Heading out of Alameda Bay on the Tamara on her maiden voyage for some sailing. See how she does on her trials today. Bringing out the Tamara. Today is Saturday, June 29th, 2019. And again, we're on our way to take Tamara out, sailing for the first time since delivery last Sunday. And we'll get a feel for the old gal. Let's get our sails deployed okay. And we are sailing on the Tamara.
So what up here is...
I love the calm sound of the wind. Power of the wind, power of the wind. Perfect. So when Sanjay's done and we get settled down, the first thing that I'd like to do is practice some tacks. Nice and easy while we're out here. And then we'll head up toward the estuary. It's going to take a couple hours to get up there. I'm going to head up a little bit. Mr. Raghavan on the tiller of the Tamara.
Maiden voyage.
We're in maiden voyage. We're doing a series of tacks and jibes. So far, so good. Just handed him the controls. We're making our way over to the estuary. It'll probably take us an hour to get over there, maybe a little more. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this way we're under no stress, you know. All right, I love it. Tamara, baby. You're looking good. So's our skipper here. Slicing through the wind. Tails are coming back perfectly on the jib. Perfectly trimmed jib. jibs swim perfectly, man.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, the telltale up and right back. This is perfect for kids right now.
Oh yeah, yeah. Totally.
You hear that, kids? Perfect for you guys. I'm gonna get your little butts out here, I promise.
And you know what? You can always have a couple of kids sitting here putting their feet down. So yeah, it's totally.
Or we could have a whole group of kids on that side. They'll be all real neat.
Yeah.
Until it's time to do a tap. See, they put those new. 45 minutes before we round the entrance to the estuary, maybe less. But yeah, she's sailing smoothly. And we're fighting the flood too, so I think slack tide is about close to 12 o'clock. And the thing is, we're sailing the ass backwards direction for the best sail day. I like to do it the other way when the bay's full, right? So we're ass backwards. We'll have an ebb to battle coming back too. So, but I don't care. I want to get out. This is perfect.
Yeah. We're not in a hurry to get anywhere.
No, no. Just take her out for a trial and make sure she doesn't sink. Well, there's a red and a green one. That indicates a channel of some kind. Nice shot. I'll decide if I'm going to leave that one in or not. I'm telling you, man. And the mainsail of the Tamara. So far, so good. On our first voyage out. Do a time check. 1:45. So we should get there by definitely by 5, by 4 probably.
Did he give you more sails or
Yeah, there's 4 more sails.
some more jib sails as well?
Well, there's 4 bags. One of them is marked spinnaker. The other one is marked storm jib.
Okay.
The other one is marked mainsail, and the other one doesn't have a mark on it, but there's one in there. So there's plenty of sails, and they're designed, you know, each one of them is designed to change the dynamic on the boat somehow, make it sail better. I don't know the difference between the mainsail and this mainsail. But I guess at a certain point in time, I'll just have to lay them down on the dock and roll them out and take a look and see what it looks like.